Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Sharnty. Guys, while you're watching, it would be greatly appreciated if you hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the like button. It helps the channel to reach more audience so that we can grow and continue to produce content. In this video, we will be showing the progress that is done to the One Belmont building in the New Kingston area. Before and after scenes are provided, and in my opinion, the building is 65% completed. On screen, you are seeing the One Belmont building that is located on 123 Belmont Drive, New Kingston. You will notice that there are massive steels or rebars. And on that note, I have one question. Is Britain construction better than Jamaica's construction? Let us know down in the comment section what you think about this. A lot of persons will argue that that's not a fair comparison because Britain buildings are built to suit their climate. I, however, will say it's a fair comparison in my opinion. One, because there are a lot of British built buildings in Jamaica. For example, some of our prisons and a lot of buildings in Spanish Town, and they have held up over the years in our climate. There are many differences between Jamaica's construction and British construction. Britain traditionally use bricks. Some people know them as the red bricks, while we, Jamaica, use concrete blocks and steel or rebars. The implementation of steels or rebars, in my opinion, makes Jamaica's construction stronger. But that's my opinion. Let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. One Belmont. The article that I'm about to read is found on the Cygnus Real Estate Finance website, and it reads, One Belmont is a daring response to an evolving world and reimagines the standards of Kingston's commercial office spaces. Modern and globally inspired, One Belmont unites designs, technology, and wellness to deliver a modern architectural masterpiece. Beyond being a place to work, the New Kingston-based One Belmont, with its striking design and technological advancements, dramatically upends the standard commercial office space experience. With the completion of One Belmont, Cygnus Real Estate Finance position itself as an innovative player in the region with a keen eye for creating opportunities and nurturing partnership aimed at varying real estate development in a new prestigious direction. Guys, while you're watching, it would be greatly appreciated if you hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the like button. It helps the channel to reach more audience so that we can grow and continue to produce content. Another article that I'm about to read is taken from the JIS website, Jamaica Information Service, and it reads, Prime Minister welcomed 3.7 billion One Belmont development. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has welcomed the 3.7 billion investment in the One Belmont corporate building in Kingston as a further testament to the growing investor confidence in the country. The development located at 123 Belmont Road in New Kingston is seen as a response to the realities of the current work environment, uniting design and technology to create an architectural masterpiece with the state-of-the-art features that promote the health, safety, and comfort of those who will utilize the space. It will include rooftop entertainment for corporate events, LED lighting surrounding the building, as well as a host of other unique features. Vice President and Head of Real Estate and Project Finance at Cygnus Group, David Cummins, said that the building will include hurricane impact resistant glass, in addition to post-pandemic features. Guys, the full article is on the JIS website. I've just taken a part of what I thought was important. Remember to like, to comment, to share, to subscribe. Remember to tell your friend or friends, to tell their friend or friends. And until next time, peace.